How to unfriend someone on Facebook Lite. First, open the Facebook Lite. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Tap on this option View Your Profile. Now you can see your profile over here. Scroll down. Find the section for friends. Tap on the option See All. Now you can see all the friends over here. Find the friend that you want to unfriend. If you do not find it, tap on the search bar. Now simply search for the profile. After you do that, you'll be able to see the results. Tap on the three dots right next to that friend. Now you can see various options over here. Tap on the option Unfriend that you can see at bottom. Now you'll have to confirm the unfriending. Tap on the option Unfriend. Now this person will be unfriended. Like this, you'll be able to unfriend someone on Facebook Lite. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.